Holy fuck. Woo, this motherfucker. There's a cool ass boat launch right there. If you're into boating or whatever, or got a canoe or something.
Unfortunately, I
don't. That's pretty cool. And over there was like a beach you can walk down to over the train tracks, right over across town there. Pretty cool.
Whereabout are we?
This is called Stillicum.
Stillicum?
There's a ferry that goes over there to Anderson Island, and another little island called Ketron, and you can see the floating bridges or the Gig Harbor Bridge down there.
Yeah, I've been across that one a few times.
And that's the end of the Gig Harbor Peninsula way over there, and then that's Fox Island right there.
Yeah.
So, you know, Fort Lewis is everything that way down to Olympia almost.
Yeah.
So we were just kind of skirting it there, and you know, and then we'll go down the shore this way, and we'll get back into Tacoma and University Place.
Yeah.
Stuff.
Yeah, this little bike is pretty fun to pick up. It's
Yeah.
hard to do it either.
Yeah, it comes right up. You
It
know?
just goes.
Yeah, first gear is easy. Second gear is pretty easy. I've like almost flipped it over backwards in third gear in this town once. I was just like bounced on the pegs and gave it some gas, and it came way up faster than I thought. I was like, holy fuck. You get right there about 6,500 RPM where the torques peak, and it got pretty decent pickup there. I mean, it's not fast, but it's fun, you know, when you're coming through those twisties to just be able to give it all of it and not have to worry about smoke in the back tire. Or
Yeah, on one of the turns I was really giving her the beans and felt the rear tire go out on second gear. I was like, dang, it really puts all that torque pretty low.
Yeah, it puts it to the ground too, huh? Yeah, I got way sideways once in some twisties, leaned way over in second. I mean, I was going through them in third, and I was like, oh, I could do this in second. I put it in second, and then I started spinning the back tire around them, and I was like, I'll go back to third.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, we'll ride a little more.
Right.
How do I start this thing? There we go. Fun. Redid the parking lot.